wanna see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone.
What are you running from?
I big yellow.
I.
White lizard, cotton lizard, house lizard, them the one they only like them, you know? I like them. Then time I see them like my body just like
Good morning, everybody. Look at this view. Don't push me. Don't push me. Good morning, Jamaica. Now Ziggy running from a lizard.
I'm afraid of a lizard. Either right on that crate. Oh.
Yeah, Ziggy, it won't work. The phone.
Why is it?
That's bad.
Yeah, back your phone, go give them enough time. That means there's something wrong with the phone when time we get in. There's been enough no password, but it's all.
Say good morning, everybody. So we just ate some breakfast. Ziggy made some stir-fry rice and peas with egg in it and mixed veg. It was really good.
I made egg.
And Nyla made egg.
For mommy. For mama.
What?
Why 1 hour? 1 hour.
The phone. I tried to restore and it keeps saying that it failed.
Show me picture the funny. You think me a Taco Bell?
Who's the best though?
Me.
So we've been trying to. Ziggy got a phone. Yeah, I'm gonna reset it on the computer. We've been trying to hook up Ziggy's phone from like when we were in Canada. It wouldn't work, and I finally figured it out because you know the text heavy that I am. We're just here chilling right now. You know I'm gonna get copyrighted. So let me wait. Soon chat to you guys because I'm not trying to get copyrighted. It keeps following me now. Sorry. So y'all said you want to see Sasha. Y'all ain't ready to see Sasha because Sasha is not no little Sasha no more. Hey, hey, hey. You guys see how big she is? Ziggy, is she taller than you now? But yup, you guys asked to see her, so here she is. Who did you hear? Oh, I was about to say, you look so nice. Sasha's a full-grown woman now. Huh? You're playing what? Oh, yeah. Oh, look what you did to Polly's pillows.
Huh?
Why you put Polly's pillow like that? Yeah. Ziggy Dan is in the kitchen. Not chefing up no chicken, but cleaning. What do you mean as usual? How much? Ziggy, you know I washed dishes 3 times yesterday. After you told me, oh, don't worry. Wash it 1 time, don't worry.
I know, so probably when you come in have to wash them.
I know, she told me. She told me to slap her on her hand and said, leave it.
I'm going to come back in, go under them and come next to them. Oh, nice.
Oh, nice. Your wife did it. Oh, nice.
Thanks.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, we're still at home. We're waiting on one of Ziggy's friend to come true.
And Miss Dante.
Dante's gone.
What's her name again?
Dante?
No.
Who?
What's that first name?
Lauren.
Lauren.
But yeah, we're probably gonna go bathe and stuff soon. Just slowly start getting ready.
Mommy, look at this pink car.
Whoa! Let me go back to editing.
You're there. Yo, are you friends chilling on?
Because one time Argentina play, we still gonna watch. So you need to watch the game. Maxine,
Yeah,
we
there.
talk about football.
You ain't patting them round, so. No joke. You can like, oh, I want to know about Brazil. Every.
Oh, they are friends.
Yeah. I want.
What is it, 16? Let's talk about football. What is it?
Let's have a penalty. Let's have a soft goal, Maxine.
Puppy, it is Neymar. Neymar, every family plug you one.
Penalty and free goal.
Nowhere. Okay.
Just know that football in Jamaica is serious.
Yo, they can't stop me. Yeah, stop me. I can't beat. How much minute got now, man? 29.
Another one, I need you, call it. Another one. Why are y'all so quiet? I mean, Australia competition. How much team God?
That'd be nice, you know, about football.
How much team God? I will say 90 minutes. Dog, I will need to say again. I want to so to your other side.
No, from the dance, you know,
Right?
you don't know.
Come on. 7. It is a good look.
Every time we hear. What's up? That's the man. Yeah, I don't lie. What's up for you? Don't brother. Me not watch the second half. Literally right now, you can't look all up on
What's that? This is how we do it in Jamaica. What is that, Delia?
This is Jergizad.
Oh yeah.
Hot.
That is the chef from where? Brownstone?
No, me from Clapton. Gulf.
We are going to watch Brazil match 4-1. Drink little rum. Drink little Magnum. You have Chrissy over here say hi. Show the ring finger. I love it. I love it. Them say, what's your, what? I'll tell you something this. Them say, ooh, we, me.
Okay, when the thing I'm from? Yes, sweetheart. Thank you very much.
Who did I call the biggest cock?
Jimmy.
Can I say after you being on a sherry?
I go by Brownstone, I share me free, nobody follow me.
Me no want to, let me follow you.
No, so I can't share me free. But if you get your one free, mama. Damn.
Oh God.
Look at sorry for your talk to there's a big people there. Mama, when I get the one. I get no more video now. Like that.
Hot.
One a piece session.
Now come down to everybody, you know, one.
Where's the man? Did I get no more?
Not yet.
Yo, see there? So we come in and thing, you know, to play some ball in idea. Yeah. And play some ball in a probably 2 days from today or so. Oh, they been there so long time? Oh, see. Fuck. Only thing you know, you have to go get over here, so push down or something to push it. Oh? Oh, look different. Yeah, that's why I see him. Somebody, man. Alrighty. Doing good. Kalaka, see them, man. Kalaka, little goal, man. They have to go use over here to clear. Yo, so see the on the field, I say, yo, right now everybody appreciate our go. The people them ready to come out, come and start kind of clean up and something, you see me? So right now we have some goal, but and basically they get the info pass wrong and the man then pick up the wrong goal them. But we not gonna go figure well up back no goal nor nothing. What we go do is just build them. So even best if one steal couldn't go down in night too. Or you wouldn't make no sense. You wouldn't make no sense. But you not gonna make no sense. Yeah, so you just go you.
I'm not sure cement night now.
Yeah, but the concrete did the same way. Probably why that's why many ask the best thing you do. I probably put the steel in it from first. Yeah. Put the steel in it like it. So if the pipe come off, it's still on the concrete still did it. It metal not safe to play football. Like that. Well.
You understand? Concrete was safe. Well then,
Nah.
tell them up. They go out the ground, put it on concrete, but they can't move it. You understand what I say?
Yeah, they have got add one in that extra piece for the bottom.
Yeah, well up it. Well up it. No. You see, same part of the song? Dig it ground and put it down in the concrete. But they can't move them. That's a 1 year now. You know, so they say make 1 year since stick man them take it, can't go now.
My man them not supposed to go sit down upon that there now.
1 full year December, yeah. I thought they close it, man. There's enough bottom down to them. I mean, I forgot to call it, say, I film them and him give one of them. Let me call it, say, him give one of them.
Alright.
You afraid to touch the other one? No? Oh.
See, there.
I'm a boss. Walk there, I can't see it. You're long burger, I'll grab the. Hold him, burger. Hold on. Yeah, put him for the cat.
Yo, take them.
Oh God, man, that's something. That's why they run out your children.
No.
You buy goods today? Let me see dark side.
I tell him say me a circle him other than there, man. Ah, fine. What are you doing?
Huh? What?
Wait, how are you doing, Nisha?
I need to go wash my hair.
What happened?
My scalp is itchy. And it's white, like it's every morning I have to keep wetting it.
How are Nisha?
You tell me.
Nisha, how
Daddy, mommy downloaded this cake for me.
Grape, I scraped in her plate.
Oh.
So I was feeding her and it was pepper. I'm like, thank God I didn't eat off all my rice. It's long.
Yeah, so and a bother them a bother him, you know. It's just I
That's
guess
all they are. It's just all fun.
Yeah.
And he loves it.
Yeah. No, like I either him do same to Dela I like Dela. Like if as you see Dela now the boss start turn back. From Dela come out the boss start turn back say my guy. Like the boss say you only come out. So that's he come up as say Dela they ask him say Dela grab him and take out the wallet out of him pocket. So he grab Dela though, like he was a long time I want to grab Dela, so I grab him from back.
No, I like how they include him, you know?
Yeah man, I always say like they not feel left him out, you know? If them have no liquor fun, they do nothing if he include him in it, man. You know? Can feel good same way. Isn't it? But I'm really thugs, man, and me ain't go there. I met the ND with him in a no way still, you know. So.
Yeah, y'all hear that noise? What do you call them again? Tovia, peony? Peony or crickets? Since I came down here, all I kept saying is crickets. But anyways, we're going to make a quick run to Fali. Hi, baby.
What's her name?
Ayla. Yeah, we're going to farm to go buy some stuff for the house. We're supposed to be gone from all the time. Hi.
And
No, we both can't sit like that, girl. They're here.
Can I show them this game?
What?
This game.
You have to hold it up.
Right here.
What game is it?
This, I don't know. So what does this one say?
Some construction.
What is this one?
Construction.
Oh, this one. No. What is this one, mommy?
Dinosaur.
This one.
Construction. Spa salon. Bobo World.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're going to Fali right now to get some stuff. After Ziggy messed up the plan. I'm joking. Our ride kind of flopped on us, so we didn't really get to do what we wanted to do. So it's a late evening run, which is kind of annoying because it just kind of ruined our whole day. But I guess everything happens for a reason, so we'll just leave it at that. So next time we'll catch you, we'll be driving to Fali. reached in Fali. Nyla fell asleep in the car, of course.
I didn't.
You didn't? So what were you doing? Taking a nap?
No, I didn't. I was watching
Not she said she wasn't sleeping. She was just watching the iPad.
You want pine?
Yo, I can't tell you guys the last time I actually came to Falmouth, like in the night.
Strawberry?
Holy.
Oh, yes, they have strawberry there. Look at those strawberries. Oh, it's not strawberries.
Not me. Okay, guys, our first vlog that me and Ziggy made was right here. Literally right here. That's so funny.
for that one.
Let me turn and show you a little bit.
No, that's 210.
Oh, ducking her head?
What? Over there? It's too high.
Wow, outfits. Boo.
I can't take two.
Oh, she wanted banana. Huh? You don't want banana no more? Huh? She wants this, Ziggy. Yeah, 6. I'm gonna probably the chicken chips. Oops.
Oh, may I black it? Hold on this one.
Ah.
Well, yeah, pick up him Lasco. Yeah. Lasco, Lassoy. Hey, good evening, guys. Wait. Nala, no. Ooh, what's that? Let me see. Let me see what is it. Let me see. Cherry berries. You have a lot more over there?
Yeah, so
Oh, okay.
they're so big.
Yeah?
Is it the cart?
What is this?
Cherry berry. Yeah? Okay, make sure you don't eat none in Polly's shop. I don't think she eats those. These are the only things I see she tried. That she actually tried. What's a pot? Oh. I don't want the other one. The Doritos. Oh, she wanted cheese. Do they have cheese? Like. Cheese, Ziggy. You see the cheese? Oh, get her frosted flakes?
Mommy.
Yeah, it's for me. Leave it. It's only that one. Yeah, we need juice. Well, only orange juice you drink.
Yeah, just take all that.
Yeah. Yeah. It's just a different boss. What, you want to get the little bags?
No, look, that looks the price. Also.
I know, that's what I'm saying. You can't see
No price.
price for nothing. juice and water. Do I want cereal? No. Yeah, you have to buy milk then.
Can't get milk.
Ziggy, don't you eat these? Or you're good?
You want that milk or Nisha?
I guess. This one? Yeah.
Or the sticky cheese?
Well, you have to try her with it. I think you have to wait, Mama.
Let's try it.
No, you have to wait, they said. You want Pringles, Nyla? Yeah.
One of them spicy. Mild.
Oh, yeah.
Mild.
Yeah. Yeah. She'll actually like those.
What's
The
that?
popsicle.
I like that.
It's a bigger one. Yeah. Let me get the water. Yeah, I don't know if she's gonna like these yogurts. Ziggy, you wanna get the Franks for her, or probably have there? Which one is it? Anyone? This? Okay. I can't even see the price for anything.
You want the regular one? Okay.
On my wrist.
Chocolate, why won't you have it?
Yeah, I like how they have the little one. Or should I just buy? Sorry, they don't sell the bag?
Yeah, in case. Yeah, they sell it.
Probably better buying her those.
They sell it to some food. They have to order it and
Oh, okay.
you see, for the window, they just order it.
Oh, okay.
Orange juice.
No.
Queso water. Don't think the case is better. Look, they're smaller.
Yeah,
It's at the window.
this is
She has to go by the window. Huh?
Yes, that window.
She, like, sometimes she'll drink apple juice, but she wants orange juice, she said. No, she don't like these. She's a water girl.
That's good.
Hmm?
The food, though. But you're selling food.
And I'm just looking, curious to see. Oh, Polly, do you want to grab toilet paper?
There's small case that I pull the baby.
Toilet paper? Toilet paper? Want us to grab toilet paper? She keeps wasting the big bottles. And this. Oh my gosh, one for $500. This one? Yeah, grab one. But I'm saying five. How much for two? They come with two?
No, this one single one.
Jesus.
So that's why we buy the.
You guys take this in for one single one. A whole pack is like probably.
No, come here. This is different.
Yeah.
This we're price in the front. Oh.
But this is the brand
this-
I'm used to. But I'm saying
Oh, so this
$5.80 for
The
one.
one single one and a double. pack.
Yeah.
I didn't put the same double. pack.
Which toilet paper you buy? The Suave? 75. That's 105. 105. But this whole pack right here is for $6.60. With 6 in it. 6 rolls for $6.60. You probably let's try it. Let's try it. It looks the same. I find this one thin.
Which one thin?
This.
This I bet.
Best.
Feel this.
Yeah.
The 6 of it that. This one not 6 of this one not cheaper than 6.
Oh wait, let me get something here.
You ordered water?
You ordered water, Ziggy?
Yeah.
Let me see. Money? Oh. That's what we were trying to look, the price.
One.
Ziggy, look how much the bounty is for one single one.
One of this of it.
Right?
One roll it from here.
How much are these? These bottles. What? Everything is expensive. Are these sold by the pack or is it like one single? Yeah. Is it a pack? No. Let me take this one. These are so flimsy, guys. The cups are so flimsy. Is this Ziggy's too? Yeah?
Cash you said?
Oh yeah, I already cashed it. Open it. You just have to open it. So I'm assuming these are already. I told her 6. These are already cash for her? Yeah. That's it? I thought it was gonna be more. You asked how much the wine is?
Which one? Which wine you want?
The Barefoot. It's $19.50. Which wine should I get? Barefoot, wine. I feel like the Barefoot is gonna be like not that champagne, like a rosé is what I want. Oh, Moscato. Chardonnay.
Oh,
Does it back to the free? Does it top?
how much see?
The one that I want.
750. 1 is.
Can I get the Moscato? The yellowtail? The green one. Yeah.
One more yellow one.
I want, because I wanted.
One wine you want?
You're gonna give me one? Thanks. Sorry, just this. So we just finished doing little grocery. Walking back to the car. Someone's bringing the grocery for us.
There's that from the light on.
Oh shit! Yeah. You turn it on?
Huh?
Is it because you turn it on?
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're going back to the car. Is that all we're getting here?
Yeah.
We're done?
Most likely, but me want to probably get no food to eat.
You're gonna walk back over here?
Yeah, because she have to go back to work, so yeah, she gets something. Alright, that's somebody. No, it's far. See what?
Now let's say, can I see? Yo, it's honestly so freaking trippy walking into town because one, these cars have no patience. Come, Nyla, hold my hand. Two, it's like you have Nyla, so you're trying to like, hold her. Oh my gosh, I could not imagine pushing a stroller out here because it's just so hectic.
Well, we'll have to. Oh, are we driving this car?
Yeah. So this is Fali's courthouse.
Oh, you want to eat? Okay, just walk right next to me, okay? Yeah, because I know you're a big girl.
Going back into town to get some chicken. Where my shoes feel? Ah.
Wanna get
Chicken. I smell it.
you want KFC?
Come now.
Jerk chicken Nisha sandwich.
What are you gonna get?
You want KFC? Go and get some soup. Come.
Sorry.
What happened? KFC, you running on the belly? Oh, really?
What she say?
So you need KFC and reach up your hungry again. I supposed to make that day.
I know.
I want enough food in the belly, so. See over this. Yeah.
Tomorrow they tell you still eat.
What the? Oh,
Can you choose what you want tonight? You know?
yeah.
Yeah. Come. It's okay. Alright, we go.
You go by night. Go by night.
I smell is it on the corner or where is it? Oh.
Which side are you? Which team are you? Germany. So Germany gets side. This one is German.
Ah! Ah! Look, Daddy's getting cane.
$2, $3, $4, $5.
Depends on the piece. You can't touch a piece in your hand.
Sweet piece. One of them sweet. Yeah?
Stop.
And what's this?
500.
Yeah, man, you can't eat it.
Feel a piece of uncle this one. I said I didn't feel it that I made. I said I didn't feel it that I made. You have a cheap next one, Sam. You know you feel it. You're Jalen. There's one more salad than me. There's such good stuff. You don't get none of the house man plus one. All mine up here none. So we are going to town first, man. No, I just buy one half pound.
You want chicken? Cause what are your other options? Nothing really, right?
We still have
I'm trying to think if I feel for it. I think as I smelt it.
So you know what?
No patty, right? Toby, you can't get patty. No patty, right? Okay, just chicken then. I'm gonna get it. You want KFC? Am I the only one's gonna get it though? Huh? Hey.
quality.
Down there.
And again, on the soda.
What I do? What I do?
Some people eat anything.
Done? There's no garbage. Let me see if this is garbage. Come. Is this garbage?
Yeah.
Sit there. Come. I don't have no napkin. Hold on, we'll give you something. Hold on.
Can't make these enough.
See? Can I get a napkin, please? Wait. Thank you. I'm gonna give you a sanitizer. You want chicken or soup? Huh? You want chicken? Yeah.
Kaya kini pun bocah barang pa.
You know, see how we alone. Coward, we try. Nobody here we cry. Them not care for you what we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone.